Let's paint ABCD. Red color, orange, yellow, light green, green, sky blue, blue, purple. Red color, A. E for apple, E for apple. Red color apple, A. Orange color, B. B for banana, B for banana. B. B for banana. Yellow color, C. C for car, C for car. Yellow color, C. C for car. Light green color, D. D for drum, D for drums. Green color, D. D for drum. Dark green color, E. E for elephant. Dark green color, E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Sky blue color, F. F for frog. Sky blue color, F. F for frog. Blue color, G. G for goat, G for goat. G for goat. Blue color, G for goat. Purple color, H. H for house. Purple color, H. H for house. Purple color, H. H for house.